Yo, we at San Francisco, Gay Town, man. You know what's up? We finna steal a car, man. Move on my way, man. Fucking idiot. Watch this. Ooh. Oh, we're trying some tunes, man. Let's get on some DJ quick, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, enough bullshit, man. I gotta do my fucking mission. Watched? I might as well. Alright, here we are. Let's get it on, boy.
Hey, Satara, put this up on the screen, Josh. You're being followed. A friend of mine is giving this to you at great risk. That's us.
Why it got so dark so fast, man? What's this? Press V to open net hack. Well, I really fucking can't. Oh, I gotta get out the car for it.
Quick, come arrest this guy.
Oh, you trying to call the cops on me? Fuck you.
Oh shit!
What?
It's FBI. You hacked into the FBI.
Uh-oh. Signal blocked. Oh shit! Why am I missing my shots?
Hold on a second.
Get your ass on, bitch. Might as well drop the car. So watch them. I'm gonna rush in.
Getting an incredible amount of stuff here, man. We gotta broadcast some of this.
I'm a little busy right now.
Get your ass on. Like climb up here. Get on this guy's ass. Oh, you pussy, bro. You have that fucking armor on you, like a little fucking bitch. Oh shit. But that's just bullshit. You don't worry about me, sir.
There's a van. Yeah, that's them.
Get what you can on him.
Let's go. Gotta be armed, bro. Oh, who's that? Where'd that come from? Oh, what was that? Where'd that come from? I don't know what that was. Oh, where did that come from? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hold on a second.
Oh my god, bro. Run. God damn it.
We're not giving up yet.
Now y'all better give up, bro. Watch this. Boom.
Get the fuck out of there.
I'm trying. Oh, fuck. Nope. Not for you. Not for you, bro. No cover for you either. No cover for you, amigo.
Oh, man.
Boom. Bro. No hiding for you, buddy. Run! Ah! You doing too good. Get down, fool. I'm too good at this, man. Look at me. Going loco, man. Time to get the car, man. Let's get this one. Watch this badass jump. I'm finna jump out of it. 3, 2, 1. Wahoo! Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. I told you, man. I told you.
Don't fuck with me!
Get out of the car, please. Get out.
Suspect with a gun. Repeat, suspect with a gun.
I've done had a gun already.
Fire inbound!
Get in the car! Oh!
EMS, ASAP, officer down.
Get in! Let's go! God, that was a fucking struggle, man.
Marcus, we've been trying to contact Horatio. He's not answering and his phone doesn't show any movement. Can you make sure he's okay? I'll mark his phone on your map.
Sure.
Excuse me?
Wait.
Thank you. Trying to steal the car back? It's mine now. Of course they're calling the cops on me. Alright, let's see where his fool at. Oh, here's his phone. It's on the ground for some reason. Okay.
I found the phone, but no Horatio in sight.
There's gotta be something.
No clues, but there is a street cam.
Horatio! No! Damn, fools really have gone wild.
That one's pretty clear.
Louis Trevino. He's a member of the Tesca's gang.
Hey, you run me over? I'm taking your car. Where my homie at?
ratio, man. I'm here.
Where's your mom?
Hey, call
Where's your mom?
Sorry, Josh. He's fucking dead.
Oh my god, Marcus, get out of there now!
Fuck!
I'm not telling you shit. Fuck you.
Oh,
Oh, fuck me.
damn. Damn. Yup. Y'all already know damn well, y'all. We're going in loud. Come on. Y'all, we're going in loud. Fuck all that shit. Fuck all you bitches! You wanna kill my homeboy? Fuck you! Oh shit, dog. You wanna kill my fucking friend? You wanna kill my friend? Get over here! Fucking bitch! Bro, this is low-key friendly fire, bro. I'm Hispanic myself and I'm doing this shit. Fuck! Oh! Cover! Take cover! Just hack this shit for now. Where the fuck y'all at? Where you vatos at, is it? Hey, no, hey! No, come
The
here!
field with it and
Fuck!
light it up.
I got no bullets! Come here! Come here! You vatos wanna go after me, is it? Where you from? Where you from? Where you from? Don't fuck with me, bitch! Come here! Where you running? Come here! This is for dead sake, homie! Yeah! Yeah!
We're looking to
Yeah! Oh shit! More Tescas? Oh yeah! Oh fuck! Going in loud again. Y'all better get out of here. It's gonna go down again. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck! God damn it! Get out of here! Don't be hiding, pussy! Come on! Bam! Killing you pendejos. Where y'all from, fool? Get your ass on. Oh, you wanna call backup? Oh, y'all wanna call backup, huh? Y'all wanna call backup? Get your ass out of here, boy. Get your ass on, bro. Get your ass on, bro. Why are the 580s coming over here, bro? What the fuck? Get that fool down. Alright, just gotta hack this. I think I killed all of them. We're good. Alright, let's go.
Let's start this show.
Fuck you.
Yeah, you tap me. Hands on your burners. Bam is on deck.
Get your ass on, bitch. More coming. Yeah, these are 580s, man. What y'all doing over here, bro? What the fuck? How you not dead? Die already! Fuck, dude! Oh shit. Of course I ain't got no bullets. Wow, bro. Oh, this guy's fat as fuck. I can't kill him. Not even with this fucking pistol. There we go. God damn. That shit fucking annoyed me. Oh my god, bro. There you go. Fuck. Oh, be careful. Oh, fuck. Fucking shit. Just hack his ass. God damn it. There you go. What an idiot. He looking for the bomb and said, look. God damn, bro. I gotta stop this shit. Fucking shit. There we go. Got them all. I hope. Killed all of them. Taking their car. We're here. Let's see. The goblin? The goblin gives a lot of damage, so yeah, let's do it. God damn, it pissed me off. My friend just died here, man. Like, come on.
You can see the Tezcaz loading crates onto the boat.
Tezcaz? Alright, let's get it on. Let's try to do this. Well, that didn't work out. There we go, that got him. God damn it. Fuck! That's funny, you're not even doing shit. You're just letting your homeboy die. Oh my god. There we go.
They won't like that. 3 more though. Shit destroyed. Down to 2.
Oh, there's cops now. What the fuck? Now they're gonna find out about this coke now. What the fucking test is. There we go. Where's the other coke at? Oh, it's downstairs. God damn. What the fuck? Huh? How did he not die? We're in. That was easy. Huh. Get the coat, bro. There we go. Alright, there we go. We out. Whew! That was easy.
What's going down?
I've been listening in on their phone calls. Trevino is there already. The other 2 are on their way.
That's all I need to know. You get yourself someplace safe.
Good luck, man.
Thank you. Damn, that was fire. Let's just shoot this fool from a mile away, huh? If I could try. Are you serious? This mission's not for you.
At least Trevino won't.
Damn! Oh shit! I legit had to pause the game for that. What the fuck? Oh, I got this. Got him. Dumb bitch! Watch this. Watch this too. Watch this.
Hey,
Retro.
what's the deal here?
Dogfights go down in that building there. Used to be an indoor swimming place or something. They only admit members, though.
Any way I can slip in?
Pretty sure you can go through that restaurant. Good luck, man. Anything any of us can do to help?
Thanks. We need a low profile here. I'll head in alone. Buddy, you get that in the restaurant?
Tastes like shit.
You don't look so good.
I complained and those thugs over there roughed me up. If you want to go in, avoid those assholes.
Fucking hell.
The beautiful perro, eh? Maybe, he wants to chunk off your tiny huevos, bitch.
I told you everything. Come on, please. Let's go. Yes, sis. You really can't bring him back in here, man. No, man.
I'll bring him to Pablo.
No, Pablo. No, please don't.
Interesting. Trying to go in loud. We got the key. We got the key. We got the key. Guy's ass. Let's go.
Marcus, you gotta get out of there. We're monitoring the Tezcas. You're in trouble.
The whole gang is coming.
Hey, chingado!
How the fuck are you not dead? Die already. Fuck. Oh shit. He's gonna blow the car up. Oh, he's up there. We did it.